Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a Saturday. I've just done my shopping for the week and I got some extra ingredients so that I can make a few freezer meals. So we had some sausage hot pot the other day and the boys really liked it, so I thought I'd get some extra so I can just throw in freezer bags, so then the night before all I have to do is defrost it and then in the morning throw it in and then put it in the slow cooker and it's right for the whole week, right for the day. So what I'm thinking is that each week when I go shopping, I'm going to keep an eye out for specials or things that I can do quickly in the slow cooker because it's getting a bit warmer. So I thought maybe I could do some slow cooker meals, especially for the weekend when I really don't want to be cooking, or for during the week when I just want to throw something in the slow cooker and it's ready for when I get home. I just have to maybe cook some mashed potatoes or just some veggies or something quick and easy. So let's get into it. I've got two recipes I want to do today. So one is the sausage hot pot, throwing them together, and then another one is salsa chicken, which is basically what it is salsa and chicken. But we're going to try and see how that goes. I haven't cooked it yet. But yeah, let's get into it. Before I get in there though, if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. Another little thing while I'm here, this was our lunch today. So I just got some little dinner rolls and I've got some Cheerios. I'm not sure what you call them other places, but like just mini hot dogs and a little bit of cheese with some sauce, and it was a really easy lunch idea. So just a heads up on that one. The boys really loved it. It's kind of crunchy, so it's a bit different to a hot dog, but yeah, really nice and easy. So let's get into the freezer cooking. Okay guys, so first up I am doing these sausage hot pot slow cooker packets. So I'm going to do 3 because I had a pack of 24 sausages. In each bag I've got here, I've got 8 sausages. This is the slow cook recipe that I'm using. It's just a little sauce sausage hot pot mix, and I'm just going to do the instructions that's on the back and then do up the meals and then freeze them, and then the day that I want to cook them I'll defrost them the night before, and then all I have to do is throw them in the slow cooker. So really easy. I have these with mashed potato, although you could do it with anything really, but yeah, I like mashed potato. But yeah, I'm going to show you how I do them. So basically I've got 8 sausages there, and I've also got 2 carrots and 1 onion. It's half a cup of water, a teaspoon of honey, and the ingredients of the sausage hot pot mix here. So I'm going to throw these together. Also some green beans, so I just throw in some frozen green beans in there as well. Okay, so I'm just going to throw these all together and then I'll have some meals for the week. Okay, so that's all the ingredients in there. So now I'm just going to zip up the bags, mix them around, and then try and get as much air out of them as I can. So there is one of the sausage hot pots. So I've just mixed it around a little bit. I made it quite flat so that when I put it in the freezer, it's going to freeze quickly, and it's also easy to store when it's all flat. So I'm going to do that with the other 2, and then I'll put these in the freezer. I will actually label them. I should have done that before I put the stuff in here, but yeah, I'll put the label on there. And then these, I usually just cook it on low for about 8 hours, or you can cook it on high for 4 hours and just serve it with mashed potato So yeah, I'll get these ones done and then we'll go to the next one. Okay guys, so for my next freezer bag that I'm going to do, I'm going to do salsa chicken. So I have never actually tried this, so I'll be trying this out for the first time. But basically all it is chicken. I've got 2 chicken breasts in here in each bag, and then just dumping in a jar or can or whatever salsa mix you have. I had these, they're on special. So I'm just going to dump in the salsa in there, and then I will cook it on either high for 4 hours or low for 6 to 8 hours. So yeah, that's the salsa chicken, super easy. I'll probably use these as kind of like a chicken taco mix. So instead of using mincemeat and taco seasoning, I'm going to use the salsa chicken and have it in like a taco type deal. So yeah, basically just dumping this in and then freezing it, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I've done it. Okay guys, so there's the salsa chicken. I've got 2 bags of that. So I've just got the salsa and 2 chicken breasts in each. I've just labeled it, so as you can see I've just put the date and what it is and how long to cook it for. So now, because they're nice and flat, I'll throw them into the freezer, get them frozen, and then also the same with my sausage hot pot. So I've got 3 of them. So I've got 5 meals here, all prepped, all ready to go into the freezer. So yeah, so like I said before, the day that I want to use these, I will defrost it the night before, and then in the morning all I need to do is just throw it into the slow cooker, and there's my dinner ready for the day. Okay guys, so I've just finished making my 5 meals, so the 3 sausage hot pots and the 2 salsa chicken. I think we're pretty happy with that. So what my aim is each week I just make a couple of freezer meals so that they're just in the freezer for those days that you just don't feel like doing anything, or I meal plan each week. However, there's some days you just have a really long day and you just don't want to cook, you don't want to do anything, so the night before that day you could just throw something in the slow cooker and it'll be ready for you when you get home. I know like our days when we have sports, so my sons both play baseball and they both train on the same day that I have training for touch football. So those are the days where you just want something that's done, ready to cook, ready to eat, and you just throw it in your mouth. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm just gonna get stuck into my laundry again, but I feel really happy that I have those extra meals in the freezer for those days where I just feel like throwing something in the slow cooker. And it is getting a bit cooler here, like it's probably not as cold as some places, but here in North Queensland anything below 20 and it's really cold. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the comments. Bye.